This citrus orchid here is Citrus 7's primary fragrance contributor. Interestingly, some think that it smells like s'mores, while others think it smells like a sweet citrus scent. There are days where we are constantly on our toes to complete big projects and events. Rest is then put aside in our list of priorities. However, this takes a huge toll on our mental health. This is where these therapeutic orchids in Citrus 7 come into use. Their fragrance induces calming effects and helps our busy minds to ease into a resting mode, recharging our energy from a tired and draining day. In a fragrance composition, scent enhancers are required to give the fragrance layers of variations. These fragrances blend together to form a more sustaining fragrance structure. In Citrus 7, cherry is added as one of the scent enhancers. Its scent is often described as fruity, fresh, and tart. Cherry is also known to be rich in vitamin A and E, a great supplement for aging skin, and can help to manage skin conditions like eczema. One other scent enhancer used is mango. This scent is rich and irresistibly sweet. It provides excellent moisturizing effects and is a delightful treat for all dry skins. Is this the kind of scent you were searching for? We love this scent, and we're sure you'll love it too. Kindly note, the scent notes, particularly orchid scent notes, sometimes change due to soil, temperature, and other variations.